everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about Adobe XD plugins and how they can supercharge your design process. XD plugins are a powerful tool that lets you add extra features and functionalities to Adobe XD, making your workflow faster and more efficient. Whether you are looking to enhance your design, collaborate with teams, or automate tasks, plugins have got you covered. So let's start this important topic. So to get started with plugins, click on the plugins icon on the bottom left corner of the screen or go to the plugins tab at the top. From here you can browse through a library of plugins or search for specific ones based on what you need. Installing a plugin is as easy as clicking install, and once it's installed it will appear in your plugins panel. Now let's go over some of the most popular categories of plugins. So the first is design plugins. There are many design focused plugins that can help you create elements quickly. For example, the UI Faces plugin allows you to easily add profile images to your mockups by pulling from a library of random faces. Another great design plugin is Icons for Design, which gives you instant access to a huge collection of icons that you can drag and drop right into your design. The second one is productivity plugins. If you want to save time, productivity plugins are must. Stock is a great tool for checking the accessibilities of your designs, ensuring that your text contrasts properly and that your design is usable for everyone. Another productivity plugin is Rename It, which lets you quickly rename layers in bulk, helping you stay organized while working on larger projects. And the third category I will let you know is collaboration plugins. Collaboration is key, especially when working with teams or clients. The Zipline plugin helps you share your designs with developers by providing specs, assets, and code snippets. It makes the handoff process between designers and developers much smoother. Another useful plugin is Slack, which lets you share artboards and updates directly with your team on Slack without leaving XD. And the fourth one is animation and prototyping plugins. Want to take your prototypes to the next level? Plugin like Looty Files allow you to add high quality lightweight animations to your XD projects. You can either import your own Looty animations or pick from a library of pre-made animations. Anima is another great plugin that helps you turn your static designs into fully interactive prototypes with responsive design features. Content plugins. Finally, content plugins are perfect for filling in text or images quickly. Content Generator helps you add dummy text, avatars, and placeholder images in just a few clicks. If you need high quality images, the Unsplash plugin gives you access to free stock images that you can directly in your design projects without having to download them separately. So plugins are constantly being updated and there are hundreds to choose from based on your needs. To manage your plugins, just go to Manage Plugins section where you can update, uninstall, or search for new plugins. And that's all about XD plugins. They can really enhance your design workflow and make your job a lot easier. Try out a few, see what works for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.